TxStampin Sharon. Today we're going to make a card with no stamps. I'll tell you why as we get started. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, hit that little bell. You should be notified the next time I upload a video. I upload videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. If I can ever help answer any of your questions or any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, let me know. I needed a graduation card. I got an invitation in the mail to attend graduation, so I ran and I got a gift card. So super fun, right? So I came home to make a card. I'm thinking, well, I need a gift card holder. And I looked through all my stamps and nothing spoke to me about congratulations, or because a couple weeks ago I made the best graduation card. If you missed that one, it was using the beautiful you, and I gave that card to a friend who already gave that card to the person that I needed to give a card to. So I'm like, well, rats, there goes my cute card. However, I'm pretty happy with this one, and there's no stamps. I did not have any stamps in my stash, and trust me, guys, I have a lot of stamps that I lacked that would go with the occasion. So I pulled out my rectangle stitched framelits, and I pulled one out, which one would fit around the gift card. So it's kind of like a little peekaboo window. This one measures, looks like 2 1/4 by about 3 1/2. Okay. Then I went and pulled out my Celebrate You Framelits. These framelits are going away. This card could be used for men, for women, for children, for any occasion. Guys, if you don't have this, you will need this. I'm telling you, it was such a lifesaver to me. So I hope that you enjoy us making this card together. I had a used Bed Bath & Beyond card, so I thought, well, I'll just use that for my video. I cut out the Celebrate You using Pacific Point and Balmy Blue because that kind of matched my card. We'll just leave those there because we're going to be adding some adhesive on the back. Can't pick it up. Stuck to my silicone. Okay. I already cut out my Whisper White. That is 4 inches by 5 1/4. I have a layer of Whisper White for in the inside that is also 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I cut my Pacific Point to be 4 1/4 by 11 inches, scored and folded at 5 1/2. So let's get our piece that we're going to add our words to. I just love the stitching. I mean, it finishes it off. It looks like a little frame. I think it's so cute. So we want to add some multi-purpose glue. This is a really great glue for beginners. It's very forgiving. So I'm going to start with the U first. And I'm going to come right here. This is such a fast card. And I'm telling you, I could use it for any occasion. I'm so excited. I've had these framelits for a long time and I have used them. However, not for this occasion. So now that I've discovered this, I'm super sad they're going away. But while I get rid of a lot of my retired things, because honestly, as a demonstrator, I just don't have room to keep it all. And once it's retired, I can't really show it anymore because you can't buy it. So I usually get rid of things, either online. I've tried different ways. But this way, on something like this, that's small for me to store, I will hang on to this. I have my favorites. It has a little bit too much glue. So see how I just dabbed that? A little too much glue right there. There we go. We want to center this. Look how cute. You can always take your silicone and really press it down because it's not going to stick if there's any glue oozing out. These silicone mats, guys, I swear, I wish they sold them bigger. Once that glue dries, I can easily just rub it off with my fingers, or, you know, some people don't want to have messy hands. You could just take a damp paper towel and rub that off, or take it to your sink and try to rub it off under running water. But it comes off really easy. Okay, let's put our card together. Oh, I need to bring this back. Actually, I'm going to get another one. Yeah, I have like 3. Because I need to put adhesive on this skinny area right here. You know, you guys are so smart. You probably already figured this out, that you could have made this kind of card like this. But I was just super excited, and I was like, oh, I got to share it with my Stampin' friends on YouTube. I will have all the measurements and the supplies that I used on my description box below. I like doing that for you guys. It keeps it all in one place for you. Now, to add the gift card, I'm going to add a couple of glue dots because I don't want it to fall off. I probably added too many, but you know, I don't think it's going to tear the card when she pulls it off. I just didn't want it to fall off, you know, like she opens up the envelope and the card falls off. So that's kind of disheartening. So I did add 4 glue dots. And then I just kind of touched them with my finger. Just enough of the oil will get on there, so hopefully it won't be too hard for her to pull off. Now again, this is just a fake one, but I think it turned out really cute. Look at that. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to add our layer on the inside so that we can write our message. And believe it or not, you know, Pinterest and YouTube are so good for ideas. And when I was searching for ideas for a graduation card, other than that cute one that I did a couple of weeks ago, I found a board, you know, that somebody had penned for graduation, like what to say on the inside. So that's what I'll be doing with this card. Hope you enjoyed this one. So there you have it. That's all you got to do. Once you have your gift card, you go look at your cardstock and you go from there. Don't forget, this little framelit is retiring. You only have a couple more weeks to get it. So happy stamping, y'all.